Hey friends, I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to my channel DIY Savvy Mommy and welcome if you're new here. I'm Kshitij and I create DIYs, art, home decor and lifestyle videos here on my channel. And today I'm sharing a very cute project with all of you. So without any delay, let's begin. And if you enjoy watching today's project, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and let's begin. For today's DIY, I'm creating a Christmas light up gift box decor, and I had seen a similar light box in a huge size at a shopping mall last year, and I was really impressed, and I knew I could DIY it. So here I am just trying to recreate it, and for that I took 4 photo frames to build up the light box, and you can use chicken wire and also wooden dowels to create this project. Firstly, I took off the back of the photo frame, so I'm just left with the clear glass on all sides, and then I glued the 4 sides of the photo frames to each other like so, and finally it gets turned into a box. And this is how the box looks after all the sides are glued. And then next I took a battery operated fairy light and placed it inside the box. I always prefer switching on the fairy light and then positioning it so that I know where exactly all the lights are placed, and this way I can just twist and turn the wire and see how the entire looks of the fairy light is going to look. I also use some clear plastic to cover the top and bottom portion of the light box, and this is optional but it helps to keep the fairy light in place. Now to cover the light box, I took burlap fabric and I measured it according to the size of the light box like so. And next I glued the fabric with the help of hot glue while trying to stretch the burlap a little bit for a tight and firm look. Friends, today I'm participating in the Crafting for a Cause challenge, and it is hosted by Theresa from the channel Theresa B DIY, and her co-host for this month is Corie from the channel Crafted by Corie. Both of them are super amazing crafters, and I have linked their channels in the description box below along with the playlist to check out. And the cause that we are talking about today is creating awareness about toxic teen relationship, and the non-profit charity is Morgan's Light, which is creating awareness on this topic, and I have linked the charity and the story behind it in case you want to like to make a small charity or create awareness. So moving on to my DIY, once all the sides were glued really nice and tight, I cut all the extra fabric from the sides for a clear edge finish. I cut small pieces of burlap fabric to cover the top and bottom portion of the light box also, and then I just pulled it and made it real tight and then glued everything together and cut the excess, and my light box is almost ready. Now comes the time to decorate the light box, and for that I took ribbons and the floral picks. And I had this beautiful ribbon with me. I had got this ribbon personalized in my daughter's name for gifting purpose for friends and family, and I've used it here. It really looks good. And I tied a ribbon on top and put a gold floral pick, and I think the look of the gift box is almost complete. You can see how pretty it looks. You can decorate the gift box however you want with whatever things you have at hand. I just wanted to have a simple yet beautiful look. So next I'm taking a small plastic chocolate box to create a smaller gift box, and basically you can take anything out of that looks square or rectangular in shape, or maybe circle, whatever shape you want your gift box to be, and just wrap fairy lights into it. Wrap it with any kind of fabric or paper or whatever you want, and then it's almost done. So here you can see I'm doing the same thing. I just wrapped the fairy lights all around and then glued the burlap fabric, and made everything really tight and cleared off all the edges for a clean and neat look. For decorating the smaller box, I took red color ribbon and I wrapped it on all the four sides like so. I just made a small knot on top and then turned the ribbon to the other side and pulled it back and just glued it at the bottom portion, just like so. And then I put some embellishments, a small pine cone, a small Christmas tree. So you can see that my gift box is coming together and looks really pretty. If you enjoyed watching until now, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and also switch on the notification bell so that you're notified every time I post a video. I basically do challenges once or twice a week, so you would be notified whenever I'm posting a video. And here you can see that my light box is coming together. I put some holly berries on top, a small pine cone, and a little Christmas tree hanging. So I think it really looks very cute and super beautiful. Do let me know in the comment section how you like today's video and how the light boxes turned out, and I'm sure you would want to recreate this. It is very easy, simple and economical to make, and I think it looks great as an outdoor decor, or also putting it just near or below your Christmas tree. It looks great. And that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope you really liked how the light boxes turned out. And if you have any suggestions or comments, let me know in the description box below, and I would love to hear from all of you. I really like reading all your comments. And thanks a lot for watching, and I'm coming up with many more amazing Christmas decor very soon, so stay tuned, and I shall see you all in the next video. Thanks, bye bye, and take care.